11 bedtime drinks that help repair your kidneys. Hey there, Healthline champions. Welcome back to another episode of Nighttime Wellness Wonders. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to join our amazing community dedicated to living healthier, happier lives. Today, we're diving into the world of bedtime drinks that can help repair your kidneys. Yep, you heard that right, your kidneys. These incredible organs work tirelessly to keep us going. So let's give them a little TLC with these 11 fantastic drinks. Stick around till the end for a special bonus tip. Now, let's get sipping. 1. Lemon water. Our first superstar is the humble lemon water. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels. Plus, it's a refreshing way to hydrate before bed. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water, and voila! And remember, folks, when life gives you lemons, make some kidney-friendly water. Not lemonade, because that's a lot of sugar before bed. 2. Ginger tea. Next up, we have ginger tea. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the kidneys and improve their function. A warm cup of ginger tea before bed can also aid digestion and reduce stress. Pro tip: ginger tea is also great for those unexpected, I eat too much at dinner, nights. Trust me, your kidneys and stomach will thank you. 3. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is our third pick. This natural diuretic helps detoxify the kidneys and reduce water retention. It's a gentle way to cleanse your system while you sleep. Plus, who knew those little yellow weeds in your yard could be such health heroes? Talk about a plot twist. 4. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is a classic when it comes to urinary tract health. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the bladder wall, reducing the risk of infections that can affect the kidneys. Just make sure to opt for the unsweetened variety to avoid extra sugar. Think of it as your kidney's very own superhero cape. 5. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is not only delicious but also packed with curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This drink can help protect the kidneys from damage and support their repair. Drinking this feels like giving your kidneys a warm, cozy hug. Plus, it looks like liquid sunshine. 6. Beet juice. Beet juice is rich in antioxidants and nitrates that support kidney function and reduce inflammation. A small glass before bed can do wonders. Just be prepared for some colorful surprises in the bathroom the next morning. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is known for its healing properties, including supporting kidney health by reducing inflammation and aiding in detoxification. It's best to consume pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice. It's like a spa day for your kidneys, refreshing and rejuvenating. 8. Apple cider vinegar water. Apple cider vinegar mixed with water helps to alkalize the body and can prevent the formation of kidney stones. It's also great for digestion and overall health. Just a tablespoon in a glass of water before bed, and you're good to go. No, we're not making salad dressing here, folks. 9. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants that help reduce kidney stress and improve their function. A warm cup before bed can also help you relax and wind down. Remember, green tea is for drinking, not for greening up your lawn. 10. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not only tart and delicious but also great for lowering blood pressure and protecting the kidneys. Its natural diuretic properties help keep your kidneys healthy. Think of it as a bedtime treat that's good for you. 11. Chamomile tea. Last but not least, chamomile tea is perfect for a restful night's sleep and has mild diuretic properties that support kidney function. It's a gentle way to end your day. Chamomile tea, the ultimate chill pill in a cup. And there you have it, folks. 11 bedtime drinks that can help repair your kidneys and keep them in tip-top shape. Try incorporating these into your nightly routine and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. And if you have any favorite bedtime drinks, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, Healthline Champions. Sweet dreams and happy sipping!